See, we are unable to connect to the cluster from node 2. Why? Because the active node is node 1. Okay, let's do that. Now open the cluster, this one. Go to the properties, select node 1 and node 2, apply, select. Yeah, now cluster is running on node 2. Okay, now if you try this, open this, run as a, you are unable to connect now. Why? Because the services are running on node 2. Okay, now open node 2, click connect. You are able to connect. Why? Because the services are running from node 2. So we will fix that issue. Okay, no problem. Okay, now now open this one, and this one, mount. Okay, no problem. Just copy this, go to create a folder like test, paste it. Okay, so I got that. I don't want to use it. Why? Because this is another drive, right? So now I just open this window, go to this test, paste the all folders. Now select another administrator, installation. Now new SQL file or installation. Click next. Yeah, select that. Click next. browse, type SQL admin @abc.com. Click refresh, check, click OK, type the password, type SQL admin abc.com, check name, click OK. I am leaving all these options as it is. Click next. So we are building this as a active cluster. Why? Because one cluster services are running on node 1, one more cluster is running on node 2. So it means, so you can divide all of the future of the, if you, for example, if you are having 10 databases, you can run 5 databases on node 1, another 5 databases at node 2. So this is called as a active cluster. But generally I don't recommend. Why? Because uh, so why I need to preserve the more cluster. So if I have more windows, I will go for uh, with active passive cluster only. So for example, if you want to save the money by, why? Because we don't require another Windows license. So at that time, this scenario is the best. So initialization has been completed successfully. Click close, close, go to node 1, go to this PC, copy the drive, go to this drive, create one folder, any name. I'm renaming as a test, paste it here, double click on this. Yeah, so now E. Okay, so I don't want to run the E back, so I'm copying all these files, go to test and paste it here. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Now, Copy all this, go to the C drive, test folder and paste it. Okay, now let's eject this. Okay, click installation, add node Azure Payload cluster. Click next. Click next. I accept next. Next. So here select IPv4 10.1.1.100. Yes. So node one initially we have added a cluster node to the SQL to the 1902 cluster. Okay, so if you see here, so two nodes are running from node 2. Now let's move to that properties. So all the nodes. Let's do that. Keep this. Node 01 server is running on node 2. 02 server is running on node 2. No. Okay. Now open this one. Click connect. So you are unable to connect. Why? Because these services are running from node 2. That's the reason you are unable to connect from node 1. So this is known issue. We have fixed for that.